got some winter weather. Man, you got unloaded on.
Oh, in Louisiana?
Yeah, I mean, when you got it, boy, it wasn't just a little bit of anything. You had absolutely none. You got unloaded on.
I'm trying to climb this mountain right now. Just want to see if it curls around.
Probably does. Everybody cuts their own.
Maybe eventually.
It must go somewhere. It looks like a trail, but maybe it's just because it's kind of washed out. Right there. Of course, this is so busy that every few feet there's an alternative trail. So, what can you say? It's a pretty great spot. Everything's all sliding around. Okay. Hello, hello.
You're putting that in here too? I gotta carry everything?
Yeah. There should be some sort of trophy for taking your kids hiking.
Got one on the back.
Oh, man, you need a trophy for this. Yeah. Come on. I didn't see that.
It's easier than making her walk, that's for sure.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
Oh, you build up, do you work out to get ready for it?
No, we do it often enough.
Oh,
We kinda
okay.
get used to it.
Oh, okay. This is your workout.
Yes,
Okay.
exactly.
Well, awesome. Wow, that's quite a little system there.
It's pretty neat.
Cool.
Got another bag that zips onto the back of it. The whole.
Oh, what's the company name?
I don't know.
Yeah. Well, it's not pressed. That's just on the button. Well, anyways.
Found it on the internet.
Cool. Awesome. Have a fun day. Say what?
beautiful. Don't get any better than this.
No.
Yeah, this.
Well, let's see. This would be such a great shot. I need a neutral density filter, though, to block out about half the light. And you can't use one of those on a point-and-shoot camera anyway, so what am I thinking? I don't guess.